she don't wanna show her face. In the Christmas day came dear to the yard. Nice. And where are the kids? I don't know. And deer came.
Oh dear.
That's fine.
I see no deer.
But look.
Where? In the sky? Flying?
On the hill.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, true.
I thought you were turning, but Santa's deers are flying. You never know. You.
Never know where you. She don't eat, she don't do anything.
It's so cute.
She just stand. Scared. She was waiting on kid. So cute, Ricardo. And she lick. She was waiting on the baby. And baby deer came. Now she licks him. So cute. Like kissing. So cute. She licks him. I must wait for on another kid that eat their bush or something, because they still waiting. She still lick him. So cute. Cuties.
And what about you? Are you a Christmas person?
Yeah, I think Christmas is fine, but Halloween is actually more my jam.
Really?
So cute.
I love dressing up. Really.
Let's have a coffee. Phew.
Thank you for putting it. Here is pizza. I added ham and those mushrooms, but the rest is from store. And here is calzone. We waited. Yummy in the tummy. Yummy. Here is yummy in my tummy.
Huh?
Pizza and ragu as a ketchup.
Ketchup?
Yes, because ketchup we have and it's so seems like it's weird. Yay. It's still hot.
It's not hot.
Actually, it's now fine.
isn't even hot. Most of it's bread.
Wow. Cooking soup. So we have this will be mushroom soup. So I will have to. This is frozen cauliflower, and I have this mushroom soup here, creamy mushroom from Progresso. I also have mushrooms, so I have to cut them, and I will also add pasta a little bit, and water and spices, and it will be mushroom soup. So here are mushrooms. I used maybe, I don't know, 7, almost 6. Now what? Pasta. So let's add some pasta. Spaghetti. Spaghetti one. Okay. And now put some. I'll put this. Okay. And this is soup. I added spices, oregano, basil, salt, pepper, a little bit, not much. And it will be cooking. Today I eat mushroom soup, potatoes, fish, and beets with horseradish. This is typical in Christmas Day in Poland. Merry Christmas.
Manja.
Eating soup and looking podcast. Yummy.